This is a battery-powered mini air compressor with multiple functions, 3 in 1 day set. They also mentioned that I will be able to inflate a motorcycle or bicycle tire at least 3 times, and I'm going to test it. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you everything, the pros and cons as well. So if you have nothing to do, grab your favorite drink and stay with me. Welcome back. Full disclosure, this product was sent to me for free with the idea to make a video review and publish it on my YouTube channel. Of course, as usual, I said to the company that I'm gonna do it only if they allowed me to say all the pros and cons without any restrictions. And once they confirmed, they gave me all the freedom that I need. So let me now unbox it, see all the components inside, and finally test it. All right, from the beginning, it looks like a quality product. Nice color. And even from here you have a lot of information that is suitable for cars, motorcycle, bikes, electric bikes, balls, inflatable pool, swimming ring, dry hair, storage, a lot of different features. Yeah, it shows also this the air blower or compressed air with multiple adapters. All right, let me open it now to see what we have inside. Okay, so this is the compressor itself. Nice color, beautiful design. Let me remove this. The only thing that I did yesterday was to open this box and fully charge the battery, because you know originally from the shop they come with around 80%, so I fully charged it to make the proper test today. And this is the battery, this is the compressor. You slide it like this, then lock it with this button, and the digital display starts immediately. At the moment it shows different modes. It's a bicycle mode, now it's a ball, then it's a custom, car, and motorcycle. I'm gonna set the pressure to 2.5 bars. But from here you can change it to PCI or bars. I will leave it on bars. And also, because I read the instruction manual, it said that if I press and hold this button here, it will activate LED light. Yes, it does. Press and hold it, turn it off. All right, fair enough. So now by just pressing the front button, it immediately starts. All right, unlock and swap. This should be the compressed air. Slide inside. This is the nozzle. Put it here. And now, I have to lock it. Lock. And now I can blow something here. For example, this. All right. I'm gonna try it later. Anyway, let's see what else I have in the pack. Instruction manual. Type-C cable. Something very important. So you have to charge the battery with Type-C cable from here. But also, because you have this USB outlet here, you can use this as a power bank or power for your battery, for your telephone, for your cameras, whatever you have. So this is like an additional power bank if you have it with you on the trip. Okay, what else? It's just multiple adapters. You can use it for swimming pools. Mattress, I'm gonna use it to inflate my mattress as well. This is for what? This is a needle for balls. A needle for balls, and 2 more adapters for different valves. And of course, this is the main valve for the tires. So you have to put it here, twist it, lock it, and now I have it. Lock, All right, fair enough. This itself, it's a beautiful box, and I will probably have it with me, but only with the compressor when I'm traveling, without this part, because this part I don't really need when I travel. And I will have the USB cable charger, and I will probably have one of these to inflate my mattress. That's everything. Yeah, in the battery. Yeah. So here, for example, I can keep my set to repair tires, like patches, glue, everything, and I can have something like this. So this will be my tire repair set. Let me now remove the air from this tire. Okay, that's enough. Let me check it. Bars 0. It will be easy if I first install the hose and then mount it here. Ready. 2.5. Let me also turn on the stopwatch and start. And record the lifetime. How much time I will need it. So 2.5 for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. This is a good result, isn't it? Let me now test it. 2.40, fair enough, because until I remove it, it's dropped some air, but yeah, it works. The second test that I plan is to inflate my mattress. But it looks like for that purpose, I cannot use the compressor itself. So I have to have the blower with me. And this was something that I wanted to leave at home, but it's not that heavy. I may take it. So let me swap now and test it. All right, for that purpose, I got one of the adapters that match perfectly with the hole here, and then connect it and see. Wonderful. I've done it for less than 30 seconds. Very fast, very fast. Anyway, my mattress is with a big hole, so even with if I have to do it by myself, it's not that bad, but this thing's done it just for 30 seconds. Very good. Let me now demonstrate you another feature of the blower that it might look like not something important, but because I have it, I can try it. So for example, I can put a few woods in the fire and then use it to help me to burn it faster. See? And of course to clean after that. Another example will be if you work in the garage, let's say with the degreaser or some water, so you wash some things and then you want to dry it, you can use this as well. Yeah, it really has multiple purposes. As I told you in the beginning, you can use this as a battery storage device or power bank. If I press here, it shows me still full battery, even that I already inflated the tire and the mattress with it. So I will just connect this Type-C cable and plug it into my telephone. And it starts charging, yeah? It's charging. All right. I can plug also the camera if I need to. The red light came, so it's charging at the moment. Yeah, perfectly. Let me repeat it once again with the tire. .5, and here it said done. They said 3 times, so I'm gonna try it 3 times. All right. Zero. The battery indicator shows half battery now. Okay, 0, start. Done. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Very well. My final conclusions. Okay, unlock. After I did 3 tires, let me press, so you can see it still shows 80% of the battery. I'm sure that it will be able to lift the tire at least one more time, which is good. Build quality, very good. Easy to use, yes, absolutely. Good features, I can confirm that. So I really look for some cons to tell you, but at the moment I cannot. Let me put again everything back together in this bag. So this is the compressor, this is the blower, this is the battery, this is the nozzle, all the adapters, cable, everything easy to pack. Nice storage room here, the main nozzle, and the instruction manual. All set for less than a minute. Nice bag, safe and secure. I think that the test was fair. Everything that they've got in their description is true. I was able to lift the tire 3 times. I lift my mattress. I even used the air compressor and few more things as you saw. And it still got battery, maybe at least for 1 more tire. And maybe I will find some cons in the future, but so far, none, 0. The price is around $120. For some people this might be a big con, but I think that if you have a motorcycle and if you travel with it, this will be a fair investment. It could save you a lot of money and problems on the road, and it will definitely go to my luggage on my next trip. I hope you like it. If you do, just don't forget to click the like button. If you subscribe, even better. I will link all the details and Amazon's links in the description down below. See you next time. Ciao.